Hi, I'm Harman Cordero, Senior Community Engagement Coordinator. Mayor and Council, it is my pleasure to present Rockville's Volunteer Program's progress for the first semester of the fiscal year 2022 from July to December of calendar year 2021, including volunteer opportunities for the 2022 Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. The mission of the Rockville Volunteer Program is to inform, encourage, and connect people with volunteer opportunities within the city to create a stronger, healthier, and more productive and engaged community. We are so thankful for our volunteers and staff for the work they do together to support many projects and initiatives in the city. The report has been organized in 5 areas for your information. I want to start with volunteer statistics and highlight the 2021 Volunteer Assessment Survey results that indicated that 90% of those who volunteer with the city were either satisfied or very satisfied with their volunteer experience. Despite of the restrictions of the pandemic, the city followed CDC guidelines to make sure that volunteers felt safe to devote their time to various projects. And because of that, we saw a significant increase in the number of volunteers, time invested, and number of students participating who received SSL hours. This year, we included information from service organizations that receive financial support from the city, and you can see the overall impact volunteers have in the community. The staff continues to work to meet several of the goals established at the end of fiscal year 2021. We continue to provide opportunities that are non-discriminatory and are in line with the services provided by the city, as well as provide information about other opportunities in Montgomery County and the state of Maryland. While we continue to work to meet our goals, I'd like to highlight that this year the city manager approved the procurement of a new volunteer management software that will help us to engage and inform the community on opportunities and even help us gain more volunteers. This is the same software that is currently being used by Montgomery County to manage their volunteer opportunities. We are exploring ways to continue engaging our existing volunteer opportunities. We also encourage new volunteers' participation with activities that are meaningful. This year's Martin Luther King Jr. Week of Service event attracted more volunteers than last year, and our volunteer newsletter highlights some of our volunteers and continues to provide information on volunteer opportunities in and around the city. And this past Thanksgiving, the Mayor and Council sent a special video thank you card to our volunteers produced by Rockville 11.
Volunteers, you make Rockville rock.
We continue developing partnerships to increase our reach and the opportunities to do new things and serve in the community. Due to the ongoing COVID pandemic and as a safety precaution, the recruitment for city ambassador was placed on hold. This pause in volunteer recruitment has allowed staff to gain a new perspective and reevaluate the program. Staff will like to change the program focus to one that is more community-based, giving volunteers ambassadors a more leadership role in the community. As for the conducting background checks on city ambassadors based on information shared from the Society for Human Resource Management, there are some of the benefits of implementing background checks. I also consulted with the City Attorney's Office to discuss the legal aspect of requesting a background check for prospective city ambassadors. The city's legal representative and the Safety and Risk Manager provided a joint response in favor of continuing background checks of all city ambassadors volunteers. We are looking to provide a final report of the fiscal year 2022 in July or August. Staff would like to request that all progress reports on fiscal 2022 be done annually and not biannually, as to allow staff to complete goals and other initiatives for the volunteer program. This concludes my presentation on Rockville's Volunteer Program progress from July 2021 through the first half of January 2022, including volunteer opportunities for the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. I am Harman Cordero, Senior Community Engagement Coordinator. Thank you, Mayor and Council, for your time.